Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 96 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 by our good old mates over at DeAgostini. Now, if you'd like to build this 1/6 scale Mustang, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these on your bench, folks. Let's have a quick scoop through this week's magazine. You've got the cars of Frank Sinatra there, 55 Ford Thunderbird even, V8. Sinatra wanted privacy, travelled in a 65 Buick Riviera. Did like his cars, didn't he? This is what we've got in our parts today, folks. We've got the engine block base and oil filter, but we're also going to be putting the components of the engine together. So you're going to need your front, your sides, all the bits and pieces, because we're going to be doing a bit of engine block assembly. Shows you nice and simple instructions there to follow, and our final result today is going to be basically the engine block looking like this. Okay. Bruce McLaren, talent and energy, it says there. Controversial victory there, the Le Mans 24-hour. Yeah, watch the film Ford v Ferrari. It's a good film. McLaren's results there with Ford. And there he is with Mario Andretti, bless him. So there you go, that's the magazine done. So I'm going to scoot back, find all of the bits and pieces, lay them all out, and we'll start doing a bit of assembly, folks. Right, first up we want our oil filter and the top part of the oil filter like so. That's going to go together and be joined with a PS02 screw, which I've already added some oil to. So we'll just fit that. And that is going to go on this side of the engine block, just in there. Just like that, okay? So that's how we want that. And then just go through and make sure it's located fully, like so, okay? So that's that. We then want to bring in the front part of the engine, which is here, and we want it upside down the way, okay? And you got our little grooves there, and they're going to locate in there, okay? So that's what we want to do. So we want to slide that together, come around the other side and do the top as well, just to engage that. A little bit fiddly at first, but it will go, okay? So that's what we want there. We then want to grab this part and the top of the gearbox. And it says to fit it just inside the base there. So I just want to rest that in there. And then we want to get our engine block, which is now orientated that way, and we want to come over like so, and this is basically going to go in like that, okay? So that's that done. We then want to bring in piece 93B, which is this. And again, we want to line that up. I do believe that way. Yeah, that like so. There you go. And then we want to pinch that between both halves of the engine case. So we now want to grab this half and pretty much repeat what we did with the other side. So we're coming in at a jaunty angle, like so. I'm just visually lining up all my pegs so that I can then start manipulating it with my fingers, and it'll start then pinching this all together. So that's what we want there. And then once these screws start going in, it'll pull all of that lot tight. That's what we're hoping for. So there you go, folks. So that's as near as tight as we can get it until the screws start going in. But that's what you should end up with at the end of today's episode, folks. The beginnings of your engine. Look at that. Oh, don't she look dark? Don't she look sexy? Oh, oh, oh. So there you go, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, head over to DeAgostini's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Bop. And you too can be building this iconic Mustang. Also, to help me out, give little Fester a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll be notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.